All right, let's look at multiplying binomials times trinomials using distribution. So we take this first group, has to be multiplied times everything in the other group. Watch your signs, watch your exponents. So 3x times 4x squared. Right, 3x times 4x squared. All right, so 3 times 4 is going to be 12. X times x squared becomes x cubed. Watch the exponents. Okay, 3x times negative 2x. Mind the signs. And you're multiplying. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. X times x is x squared. 3x times 5. Well, 3 times 5 is positive 15 times x, and we're done with 3x. Now you do the same thing with negative 8. Negative 8 times 4x squared. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32, and it's going to be x squared times x squared. Okay, negative 8 times negative 2x. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16 times x. Then negative 8 times positive 5. Find your signs. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. Done with the negative 8. And now it's time to combine, right? So x cubed, I only have 12x cubed. Negative 6x squared and negative 32x squared is negative 38x squared. 15x plus 16x, okay, so that's positive 31x. And then we have our constant negative 40. That's as far as you can go. That is our product when we multiply that binomial times trinomial. Okay, let's do it again. Watch your signs, watch your exponents. Here we go. 7w squared minus 4w minus 1 times 5w plus 6. Okay, so the trinomials first this time. That's okay, right? 7w squared times 5w. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. W squared times w is w cubed. 7w squared times 6 is going to be positive 42w squared. Done with the 7w. All right, now we have to do negative 4w. You have to do all of them, right? So there's going to be a little bit more here if I do that long one first, right? So negative 4w times 5w. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20, and it's going to be w times w, so w squared. So I'm going to put it under here, negative 20w squared. And then negative 4w times 6 is going to be negative 24w. And I'm done with the 4w. Okay? And so then we have one more. We still have to do this negative 1. Okay? So we're going to still have to do negative 1 times 5w, which is negative 5w. I'll put that under my w's. And then I still have to do negative 1 times 6, which is negative 6. Okay, I'm done with the negative 1. Nothing left to multiply. Now you combine. Okay, so there's just a little bit more to combine. 35w cubed. There's no other w cubed, so I'm just going to add that there. 42w squared minus 20w is going to be positive 22w squared. Negative 24w minus 5w is negative 29w. And then we have the negative 6. There we go. Watch your signs, watch your exponents. Remember, when you multiply variables together, the exponent changes. Okay, make sure you're changing, keep things organized. Okay, don't just put your math all over the place. You have to stay organized so you know, hey, these things go together. Line up your like terms. Okay, the squared terms should be lined up. The single terms should be lined up. Constants are lined up. Cube terms are lined up. All those things will help you be successful.